Today, we the students of class 5th are here to tell you about different types of seeds. There are two types of seeds, monocot seeds and dicot seeds.
Monocot seeds are seeds which only have one cotyledon, for example, maize and rice.
Dicot seeds are the seeds which have two cotyledons, for example, kidney beans and gram.
Now our friends will show you the different parts of seeds. There are three parts of seed coat, cotyledon and embryo.